What's up? Good morning, everybody. Today we're gonna do another van build episode. I'm gonna be installing a mosquito net. Alright, so this bug wall I ordered, it's for my 2021 Ford Transit passenger van, and I ordered a rear garage insect screen V2 mid 33, and the 33 was the measurement I got from the top latch down to the bed where I wanted the middle of the insect screen to go down. You'll see later. Alright, step one. Alright, I'm pretty good at installing this so far. We're gonna go ahead and install this tape. Alright, so this is the bug wall. This is the vinyl screen that goes right here. And the additional cover, so you cover it up all the way. See that? That's where those latches pass through. I got some clips to help me out. You guys think that looks straight? Got those thin clips.
Ay nako ma'am, buti kagabi na-help niya yung shelf niya, nag-choke daw siya sa taas mag-isa.
Ta-da! Go, close. That's how it's done, guys. Cool, fool. Okay, you can't have both. You either pick this one or you pick this one. That's how it goes. Picks up like that. So you got the mosquito net right here, and then you got the clear vinyl. Put that down when it's cold outside. Roll this up. This is all insulated too. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the BUGWALL rear garage V2. Let's go finish step one again.